So this morning I'm going to make a chocolate chai, a fresh chai cacao. I've not tried this flavor before. This is the chocolate blend, but I'm going to make a chocolate chai cacao. Haven't made a chai cacao before, but I have heard of them, and I think it'll be really super delicious. I'm going to add some hot water, a bit of hot water, and we'll add the chai. I'm just going to put a little bit more in. Why not? So just get that all tasting yummy in there. Letting this heat up, diffuse its flavors into the hot water before adding some milk. I can smell it. It smells so good. Yum. So I've just added some almond milk in here. I'm actually going to do a little video on making your own milk, but this is actually just the Pure Harvest one. If you are buying almond milk from the store, then Pure Harvest is actually the one with the least crap in it and the highest percentage of almonds. So making your own is definitely a good option. It's a little bit more time consuming, but a friend actually showed me a really quick and easy way to do it, and even with cashews, a little bit easier and quicker because you don't necessarily need to soak the cashews for as long, whereas almonds, definitely soak them overnight. So just stirring this beautiful chai in here, letting all the flavors diffuse. I'll let this go for about 5 minutes or so. I'll strain the chai out, and then we'll add the cacao. So while the chai is heating up, I'm going to weigh out my cacao. Just for a daily dosage of cacao, for me personally, I use around 22 grams. I think that's a nice flavor. It's not too strong. A ceremonial dosage is about 40, 45. So, but this is just to have, and also with this, I'm blending it with the chai. So, got my beautiful Rhythms of Prana cacao, and beautiful. Love it. So we've got that weighed out. I would usually use maple syrup. I've got some beautiful organic maple syrup here too. And cayenne pepper, nutmeg, Celtic sea salt. But I am going to add a little bit of cinnamon, just because I'm mad about cinnamon. But I'm not going to add the other things today because I've already got the chai, and it's soaked chai, so it's already got sweetener in it. If I need to add some later, then I can always do that, but we'll just work with the cacao and the flavors of the chai. Brewing nicely here. Beautiful. And just for everybody at home, this is my beautiful Rhythms of Prana cacao. These 500-gram jars, they actually come with a lifetime discount code. So if you grab yourself a jar of cacao, these are $70 to start with, but all your refills, you get a bag refill of either 500 grams or 1 kilo. The 500-gram bag refills are just $48 instead of $55, and the 1 kilo bags will be $90 rather than $100. So I'm just going to strain this chai, and then I'll pour the chai back into the saucepan, and we'll add the cacao and go from there. So here we go. Okay, so we've got the strained chai and the cacao. Add the cacao in. The secret to mixing cacao is to give it a good zhuzh. So if you have an electric bar mix, then that is really nifty to use. You'll see in a minute. It really blends it and makes it nice and creamy, and it just, especially when you're using a lot of spices and things like that as well. You can cut the cacao up really fine, and it will melt down, and it will still taste beautiful just stirring it in and melting it over the stove. But I love a good zhuzh. So we're just going to move this off the heat for a minute, and this is my little zhuzhing. So ready for it? And of course, it's always zhuzhed with love, you know. It's whenever I make cacao, however I'm making it, whoever I'm making it for, the love and the intention is always there. And I'm really excited to taste this chocolate chai cacao. I'll definitely make it with the other flavors I have as well, just as an experiment to see what tastes best. But I thought this would be interesting because it might be quite complementary of one another. Just have that sort of nice spice, and then the chocolate. So see how that's getting nice and creamy? You just can't quite get that creaminess without the bar mix, without a good roux. So I just tasted it and it is really nice. It's got that nice sort of earthy spice from the chai. But for my personal taste, I'm actually going to add just a drop of maple syrup. So, zhuzh it. So I just gave that a taste and that is delightful. I am loving that. So just giving another little final stir on top of the stove. Then we're ready to pour the tea out the top and enjoy. Yum! And here we go. Beautiful. Rhythms of Prana cacao with chocolate chai. It is so good. Love it. Cheers. Have a beautiful day. Definitely a thing to try.